How you guys doing? Chief Meteorologist Nick LaLiga here with your detailed forecast discussion as we head through the rest of this week and into next week. Again, this is always brought to you by the good folks over there at Pine Belt Gutters and Remodeling. They do roofing too. Things looking decent as we head through the next couple of days, despite some chances for rain. As of right now, it does look like the threat for severe weather is going to hold off until at least next week, if not a little bit further. You can see on the radar right now, kind of the wide view, plenty of cloud cover back off to our west. That's actually associated with the next system that's headed our direction. Futurecast showing as we head through time. Here we are at Thursday, 7 a.m. We'll increase the clouds as we head through the day on Thursday. You can see a lot of them building in as we head through the evening. I don't think we get into any rain until we get into kind of the later parts of Thursday, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 o'clock at night, into the overnight hours. By the time you wake up on Friday morning, some patches of drizzle. It looks like some of the heaviest rain may hold off until we get into the afternoon. I know originally we were talking about, I think it's going to be Friday morning where all the rain shows up, but it looks like right now that it may be a little bit later in the day and into the evening, and there's not going to be much of it. And I really want to stress this, and I hope I've communicated this well enough over the last couple of days, is that there's not going to be a lot of rain coming out of this. It's going to be one quick shot of it and then kind of showers here and there. Now that the shot of it has kind of shifted a little further into the afternoon, now showing as late as 5 or 6 o'clock, we may not end up with much back in behind that, as you can see here on Futurecast. But again, not a lot of rain. Up to an inch, if you're lucky or unlucky, depending on how you're thinking. So there's not a lot of water that's going to come out of the sky with this one. And we can look at a different model here. So that was Futurecast from the RPM. Here's the GFS showing, again, not that much rain. I mean, look at the rain chance is pretty slim. I mean, we're only going with a 50 to 60% chance that you pick up a shower or a thunderstorm with no real threat for severe weather. That kicks on out of here, but we're left over with chances for rain both Saturday and Sunday because the front that moves through actually kind of hangs up into the Gulf of Mexico. By the time we get toward Monday, warm front lifts back off to the north. You can see all the rain across parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, and parts of northern Mississippi. That's actually associated with the cold front as that one slides through as we head through the overnight hours Monday night and into Tuesday. I think your Tuesday afternoon is actually looking pretty decent. That shot of rain, showers, thunderstorms, may pose a risk for some stronger storms. I'm not really ready to go out on a limb talking about severe weather yet because there's a lot of things riding on this next threat for severe weather. The overall setup is one that historically is conducive for severe weather. It's just a matter of how much moisture and heat we can actually pool at the surface. We're going to have to kind of play the wait-and-see game on this one. Either way you slice it, it's out of here again Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then by the time we get toward next Friday, another weak-sauce system with, as it looks like right now, no real threat for severe weather. Decides to roll on through as we head through Friday the 13th, a couple of weeks before Christmas. So there's kind of a quick breakdown, a detailed look, but it's a quick one, of our chances for rain and the overall threat for severe weather as we head through the next couple of days. Again, things pretty slim. I haven't even really run the stress-o-meter. There really hasn't been a reason to. I haven't went through and did the math. You can kind of eyeball things, and I was kind of looking at it going, you know what, this number is probably not even going to be above a 1. So again, as of right now, really not much to worry about. But there's a look at your detailed forecast discussion brought to you by the good folks over there at Pine Belt Gutters. For a not as detailed look at the forecast as we head through the next couple of days. We'll see you guys on TV.